Hey guys, today we will discuss about some side effects of eating egg that you may not know, so let's start the video. Welcome to Cracking Open the Controversy. Eggs have long been a staple in diets around the world. They are inexpensive, versatile, and a good source of protein. But eggs have their fair share of controversy. Some praise their nutritional value, while others raise health concerns. Today, we'll explore the lesser-known side effects of eating eggs. One common concern is their cholesterol content. Recent research suggests dietary cholesterol may not impact blood cholesterol as much as thought. Beyond cholesterol, eggs have other surprising effects on the body. They are a good source of biotin, crucial for hair, skin, and nail health. From allergies to environmental impacts, we'll provide a balanced perspective on eggs. Let's dive into the nutritional breakdown of eggs. A single large egg contains 78 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat. The yolk and the white have distinct nutritional profiles. The yolk is rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, while the white is primarily protein. Choline in yolks is vital for brain health, especially during pregnancy. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health. Including eggs in a balanced diet is essential for optimal health. Moving on to separating fact from fiction regarding cholesterol concerns. The relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol is complex. Health authorities once advised limiting egg consumption due to cholesterol content. Recent research suggests dietary cholesterol may not significantly impact blood cholesterol. Saturated and trans fats have a greater influence on raising LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Some studies show moderate egg consumption does not increase heart disease risk. Eggs are a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Finally, we address walking on eggshells? In relation to heart health. The impact of egg consumption on heart health is a topic of ongoing research. While eggs contain cholesterol, they also provide nutrients that may have heart-healthy benefits. For example, eggs are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Some studies have suggested that moderate egg consumption may be associated with a lower risk of stroke. However, other studies have found no association between egg intake and stroke risk. More research is needed to fully understand the relationship between eggs and stroke. It is important to emphasize that the overall dietary pattern is crucial for heart health. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources, while limiting saturated and trans fats, is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. If you have concerns about your heart health or cholesterol levels, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual risk factors and medical history. Section 5 Egg allergies, a sensitive subject. Egg allergy is one of the most common food allergies in children, affecting approximately 2% of infants and young children. The allergy is triggered by proteins found in egg whites and yolks, with egg white proteins being more allergenic than yolk proteins. Symptoms of an egg allergy can range from mild to severe and may include hives, eczema, vomiting, diarrhea, wheezing, and anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is a life-threatening allergic reaction that can cause difficulty breathing, swelling of the throat, and a drop in blood pressure. Children with egg allergies may also be allergic to other foods, such as milk, peanuts, and soy. It is important to work with a healthcare professional to identify and manage food allergies. Avoiding eggs and egg products is crucial for individuals with egg allergies. Reading food labels carefully is essential, as eggs are found in a wide variety of processed foods, including baked goods, sauces, and salad dressings. Section 6 Biotin and beauty from the inside out. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in cell growth, metabolism, and the health of hair, skin, and nails. Eggs are a good source of biotin, particularly the yolk. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss, brittle nails, and skin problems. However, biotin deficiency is relatively rare, as it is found in a variety of foods, including eggs, nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes. Interestingly, consuming raw egg whites can interfere with biotin absorption. Raw egg whites contain a protein called avidin, which binds to biotin and prevents its absorption in the gut. Section 7. Eggs and weight management. A cracking good choice? Eggs are a good source of protein and can contribute to feelings of fullness and satisfaction after meals. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Some studies have suggested that consuming eggs for breakfast may promote weight loss by reducing calorie intake throughout the day. However, it is important to note that these studies often involve calorie-controlled diets, and the weight loss may be attributed to the overall calorie deficit rather than the eggs themselves. Furthermore, how eggs are prepared can significantly impact their calorie and fat content. Frying eggs in butter or oil will increase the calorie and fat content, while boiling or poaching eggs are lower-calorie cooking methods. As with any food, moderation and balance are key. Incorporating eggs as part of a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources can support weight management goals. Section 8. Salmonella risk handling with care. Salmonella is a type of bacteria that can contaminate eggs and cause food poisoning. Symptoms of salmonellosis, the illness caused by salmonella, can include diarrhea, fever, abdominal cramps, and vomiting. Most cases of salmonella infection are caused by consuming contaminated food, including raw or undercooked eggs. The bacteria can be present inside the egg, even if the shell appears clean and unbroken. Proper handling and cooking of eggs is crucial for reducing the risk of salmonella infection. Eggs should be refrigerated promptly after purchase and cooked thoroughly until the yolk and white are firm. Avoid consuming raw or undercooked eggs, including foods that contain them, such as cookie dough and homemade mayonnaise. Washing hands thoroughly with soap and water after handling raw eggs is also important for preventing the spread of bacteria. Surfaces that have come into contact with raw eggs should be washed and sanitized. Section 9. The curious case of egg intolerance. While egg allergy involves an immune system response, egg intolerance is a digestive system disorder. People with egg intolerance may experience symptoms such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, and stomach cramps after consuming eggs. Egg intolerance is often caused by a sensitivity to egg proteins, particularly egg whites. The body may have difficulty digesting these proteins, leading to digestive discomfort. Unlike egg allergy, egg intolerance is rarely life-threatening. However, it can significantly impact quality of life. Identifying and avoiding trigger foods is crucial for managing egg intolerance. Keeping a food diary can help identify trigger foods and patterns. Working with a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance on food substitutions and dietary modifications. Section 10. Environmental impact. The shell game. The environmental impact of egg production is a complex issue that depends on various factors, including farming practices, feed production, and waste management. Conventional egg production, which often involves intensive farming methods, can have negative environmental consequences. Large-scale egg farms can contribute to air and water pollution through manure runoff and ammonia emissions. The production of feed for laying hens, which often includes soy and corn, can also have environmental impacts, such as deforestation and pesticide use. However, sustainable egg farming practices are emerging that aim to minimize environmental impacts. These practices may include pasture-raised hens, organic feed, and manure management systems. Consumers can support sustainable egg production by choosing eggs from certified humane and environmentally responsible farms. Looking for labels such as certified humane, animal welfare approved, and pasture-raised can help identify eggs produced using more sustainable practices. Section 11. Conclusion. Eggs in moderation. A balanced approach. Eggs are a nutrient-rich food that can be part of a healthy diet for many people. They provide protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to overall health and well-being. However, like any food, moderation and balance are key. While concerns about cholesterol have lessened in recent years, it is still important to consume eggs as part of a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as heart disease or diabetes, may need to be more mindful of their egg intake. Proper handling and cooking of eggs are crucial for reducing the risk of salmonella infection. Choosing eggs from certified humane and environmentally responsible farms can minimize the environmental impact of egg production. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to include eggs in one's diet is a personal one. By understanding the potential benefits and risks, as well as individual health factors, we can make informed choices about egg consumption. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.